So the mobile operator today can offer this to their subscribers by simply texting them or email, or again allowing the consumer to get it at the lowest possible method that they feel comfortable with. And so, for example here is I got a text. I click on or tap the link in it, and when I tap that link, it enters me into a registration process to capture their number and the basic information to set up an account. When I complete that registration, essentially what I end up with is a little dashboard here that shows me how much money I have. Now, initially it would be $2. On my account today, I've added some more money to it, but initially they would get, say, $2. And I can then check on rates. I can click on the rate side of this and pull up the rates and look at what rate it is for a specific country. I can, of course, decide if I want to add funds to it. Go back here real quick, back on the internet. I can look at the products. I can, of course, make a call. If I scroll this down here, I have other things, my profile. I can look at all my call history. I can even shout out to my social network about what I like or dislike about the service. I can, of course, share funds. At this point, with the money in it, I can share with other family members. So I can buy it initially and share it out with other friends and family. Also, I have what they call referral. I can hit referral and refer somebody. And when they sign up and they actually spend money, I get paid. I mean, I get 10% of that at this point with Lifetime. So as long as I have an account, every time they charge something, I get part of that. Really help what we call the viral spread of this. Get people to use it, spread it to their family members, friends, and so forth. I'm not shaking too much.
No, you're good.
Okay, you have to edit that out. But the point is you got to balance. Now, from a service perspective, this has PayGo. These are the rates are very competitive today. They're the same rates you would get from, say, an IDT or Viber Out or Skype and others. And so that's PayGo. The subscriber could also decide to sign up for unlimited. This current program is 80 countries for $10 a month, including Mexico and Mexico Cell. And so they can sign up for that, and those calls are unlimited. And then, of course, it even has a little feature out here. As I make calls, it actually captures where I've called and lets me know the rates. The whole idea here is really to build the trust with the consumer. They've really gone through conditioning over the years of not trusting the products they use for international. And so part of this is to build that trust with them, give them all the information, the history, the rates, everything up front. There's no question of what they're getting for the product. Ultimately though, so they've played with this a little bit. So let me scroll back here just to get it back on the main page. They decide to make a call. And so all they need to do is click on make a call. In this case, it would have, the first time, would have asked them to take them to the App Store and download the app for making calling. I already have it, so it comes up with a basic dialer, and I can use my contact list and start calling around the globe. This is a little bit unique in the fact it is Wi-Fi. If we're in Wi-Fi, it'll make a Wi-Fi call, and if I'm not, it'll actually go over my voice network. So if I called right now let's say I'm in my basement and I want to use it for domestic, call my office back in Texas. I don't know if I want to put that in there. I'll do it here. Hold on. My office number. And click that. Call through is actually, I'm not in Wi-Fi right now, so it's going to go over my voice network. And it's all I did was dial the number, and if it was 0 and 1, it would do the same thing. And it's now ringing my office. And so I can end my call, I can go see my call history, I can see how much I was charged. Again, something very simple for the consumer to use. They don't need to go back to account management unless they need to. And of course, if they need to do that, they certainly can go back and look at their account. Works on iOS, works on on Android. And so we've got it in both stores at this point, and it's something we're looking to put out to our clients.